Welcome back to Smartify My Home. In today's review, we're looking at the TP-Link Tapo DL110 Smart Wi-Fi Door Lock. This model sits in the budget-friendly range, usually a bit over $100, which makes it one of the most affordable full-feature smart locks available in 2025. But price is only part of the story. A good smart lock needs to balance cost, security, connectivity, ease of use, and long-term reliability. In this review, I'll walk through the DL110's features, performance, strengths, and limitations so you can decide if it's a good fit for your home. The TP-Link Tapo DL110 is a Wi-Fi-enabled smart lock you can control remotely without a separate hub. That alone makes it attractive to new smart home users or renters who want a straightforward upgrade. It's compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control and routines, and it offers keyless entry through codes and fingerprints. TP-Link positions it as an entry-level solution, essential features, simple setup, and a price point well below premium names like August, Yale, or Schlage. If you want modern convenience without a premium price, or you're building a starter smart home on a budget, the DL110 is likely on your shortlist. The DL110 has a variety of key features. Multiple ways to unlock, app control, backlit keypad pins, fingerprint sensor, and a physical key override. Guest access. Create temporary or one-time codes in the Tapo app for visitors, sitters, or short-term rentals. Remote control. Built-in Wi-Fi lets you manage the lock from anywhere, no bridge required. Voice assistance. Lock, check status, or trigger routines with Alexa or Google Assistant. Auto lock. Set it to relock after a chosen interval for peace of mind. Security and build. Reinforced deadbolt, anti-tamper alerts, and encrypted communication. Not ultra-premium, but appropriate for the price tier. The feature set covers the essentials most people actually use, avoiding add-ons that drive cost up. That focus is a big reason the DL110 stays affordable. Installation is straightforward and fits most standard US doors. Expect 15 to 30 minutes with a screwdriver. A strong quality-of-life win is the no-hub setup. Once installed, you pair it directly in the Tapo app to add fingerprints, create codes, and set auto-lock. Compared to systems that need a separate Wi-Fi bridge, this keeps the learning curve low. The app is functional and stable, though it lacks some polish and depth compared to August or Yale. If you're comfortable installing a typical deadbolt and following an app wizard, you'll be fine here. In everyday use, the DL110 does what it promises. The fingerprint reader is generally fast and consistent, typically unlocking in under a second. The keypad is responsive, and the backlight helps at night. Remote commands over Wi-Fi are reliable in most homes. If your router signal is weak at the door, you may see brief delays. Battery life depends on usage and settings. With a rechargeable 10,000 milliamp battery and auto-lock enabled, real-world users report up to 1 year per charge. Lighter use can extend that. Low battery alerts provide ample heads-up. Security is adequate for typical residential needs, tamper alarm, code protections, and the mechanical key backup. It's not claiming top ANSI grades or commercial-level hardening, but in this price range, its protections are competitive. As with any smart lock, your overall security also depends on door frame quality and correct installation. Now for the pros and cons. The pros. Very affordable for a full smart lock. Built-in Wi-Fi, no hub needed. Multiple entry methods. Fingerprint, PIN, app, key. Easy DIY installation and setup. Solid Alexa Google integration. The cons. No Apple HomeKit support. App experience is capable but not as refined as top competitors. Wi-Fi responsiveness depends on signal strength near the door. Materials feel less premium than higher-end locks. Not targeted at advanced security certifications. Final verdict. The Tapo DL110 isn't the most advanced lock in 2025, but it delivers excellent value. If your priorities are low cost, simple installation, remote access, and multiple ways to unlock, it's a practical pick. If you need HomeKit, extra polished software, or premium construction, you'll want to look higher in price. For renters, first-time buyers, or anyone building a budget smart home, the DL110 checks the right boxes without straining the wallet. If you'd like to check out this product for yourself, I've linked it down below in the description. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to Smartify My Home for more smart home tech made simple. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.